Hello, my name is Omar Mendiola. I will show you the implementation of a platform driver in Linux. Here we have the diagram of this driver. We are creating the module NXP SimTemp, where it's divided in some components for scalability and maintainability. We expose this driver to the user space using a miscellaneous device SimTemp, and also we are using a sysfs for the configuration. We will run the demo. Here we are loading the module, creating a platform device inside the module, and running the application where we are showing the logs of our temperature sensor. Control C to stop this. After that, I will show you. I am loading the module and opening the application. Here I will change the configuration, where I will set the alert to 25 degrees and change the mode to noisy. Let's start the periodic sampling. And here, when the temperature is greater than 25, the driver set alert and then return a priority in the poll. When we have a priority in the polling, we are printing the alert. After that, I will show you the build process. Here we have a script that performs the build. We are building this make file. And in my case, I am using WSL2 Linux kernel driver for the headers. Finally, I will show you a test. Here we are loading the module, checking the dmesg to try to find some error or warnings. Also, we run a test script in Python where we are executing a periodic read, threshold events, sysfs limits, concurrency, epic contract offset, and checking the mode behavior. Here we have the test summary for this script. And that's all. Thank you for joining. If you have any question, please don't hesitate and contact me. Thank you.